Good afternoon, Dean Davison, live weatherblogs.com meteorologist here. Afternoon update time. Time to look at what looks to be some sort of a storm that we're going to get here in the Roanoke Valley. It's going to be pretty pitiful when it does occur. We're talking 1 to 2 inches to 3 at the most when it does occur Wednesday night and Thursday. And the origins of the storm right now are out in the Midwest. You can see we have snowfall here in the state of Kansas, pretty much taking the whole area up. 10 degrees in parts of Kansas, 0, -1. See what a warm air is, though, in Texas, 60 degrees, 62. Dallas is at 49. And right in the middle is Oklahoma, where you're going to see colder air building in here as the snow will project towards that location. Then we have the lake effect snow here across West Virginia, Ohio, near Pittsburgh, down through parts of Kentucky, and here in Western Virginia. We're going to zoom on in the Virginia area to give you some noontime temperatures. You see 37 Roanoke, 40 in Lynchburg, 29 down here in Southwest Virginia, 26 Bluefield, 44 Richmond. You get into the Triad. We got 45 degrees, 50 down in the Triangle regions, 50 towards Norfolk. And if you go further to the west towards the Nashville location, 31 in Nashville, 34 in Knoxville. This is Tennessee. Down towards the south, other parts of the southeast, you can see 30s in upper parts of Georgia, 50s along the coastal range. Current advisories throughout the entire country. We got wind advisory here in the northeast. That's been cut out here in Roanoke Valley. It's calmed down a little bit. Winter storm warnings for Oklahoma, Texas, parts of Kansas, parts of Arkansas. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings around that. And we have red flag situations here in far southwest, parts of Texas, parts of Arizona, and parts of New Mexico. Synoptic map shows as well as the precipitation will move in towards the central Oklahoma area near Oklahoma City. We're looking at 4 to 8 inches in the Oklahoma City area. As this thing continues to move, it moves to the east, and you can see snowfall will then pick up here in the Roanoke Valley. Heavier snowfall down towards parts of Tennessee, 2 to 4 inches in Tennessee. We're looking at a 1 to 3, at the 3 being really high here in Roanoke Valley, parts of the Triad and the Triangle. And then this thing will move off to the coast and really cause no kind of havoc as a new high pressure moves in and will turn our weather warmer. As high pressure builds in, this is called a southern slider. It slides along the southern United States, giving any type of precipitation in the southern United States, and misses the northeast and areas such as Philadelphia. And you see the next front will be moving in from the Midwest, and you see warm air will be projecting, high pressure will be dominating, and we won't be looking at snow probably for the next 7 days in the northern parts of the United States based on this pattern and the way it's going. Troughs will be mainly rain, and we might actually have thunderstorms starting to break out here in Texas towards the end of this pattern. Roanoke forecast 22 tonight, 40 increasing clouds Wednesday, chance of snow 1 to 3 inches Wednesday night, and that's going to 3 inches be high. We're looking at probably an inch or 2 at the most in Roanoke. Thursday, partly sunny, 37, 25 Thursday night, 43 Friday, and 47 Saturday, and will continue to warm up Sunday and Monday into the 50s. Triad 22 tonight, partly sunny, 43, 29 with a chance of snow Wednesday night, 1 or 2 inches at most. Then to Thursday, 41, 27 Thursday night, 44 Friday, and 50 Saturday, as we project to get warmer also in the Triad. Triangle, 22 overnight, 44 Wednesday, an inch of snow possible Wednesday night with 30, partly sunny Thursday, 44, 45 Thursday, 51 Saturday, and mid-50s by Sunday. I invite you to take a look at a few blogs that I have written, one being the National Weather Service case study on the 2004 Great Rancocas Creek flood. That was done by Mike Gorse and Alan Cope. Very interesting, very good information. I myself was the recorder of the 13.2 inches of rain that occurred in Tabernacle during that storm, and I like the paper. They did a great job on it, and it's a good case study to look at. Make sure you look at that. It's not under severe weather. You wouldn't got this in the email. This is basically on a ProMet. I don't want to clog up the emails this way. I have another one about papers I've done. Abstract from the 2009 National Weather Association annual meeting. Link to that. I just want to give you guys an abstract. I'm going to do actually a whole written paper out another time with the blogs, some other ones I've done. Northeastern Storm Conference with the Great Vancouver's Creek, Sea Breeze, Interactions with Tornadoes. That was in a Pennsylvania Geological Society, New Lisbon Tornado in 2004. And then just some pictures here. Me and Rob here. This was a Severe Weather Awareness Week promotion we did. It was Safety Month in Kroger. Listen to me, Kroger. That's where I work now. One of the places I work now. This is Walmart, and then other pictures of me, Dr. Steve Lyons, and also here you got Mike DeFino. This was when he was with Cal U as a storm chaser, when he was doing his meteorology course. Just some stuff that I put together on that. Just wanted to let you know. I'm going to put some information out on some of this research. I just want you guys to take a look at it, and figured I'd give you an overview of some of the things I have done. And I recommend highly, if you're in meteorology or doing it as a career or in school for it, get involved with the National Weather Association. Get involved with the American Meteorological Society, the local chapter, or write these papers. Write papers. It's a great thing to do. Great thing to get into these meetings. You learn and you meet a lot of people. So it's a good learning experience. It's a good time. So that's what I have for this afternoon. I'll have another update tonight with the overnight outlook for liveweatherblogs.com. This is meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great afternoon.